First at noon, we are about 90 minutes away from Grand Rapids police officer Christopher Schur making his first appearance in court. He faces second-degree murder charge for shooting and killing Patrick Lyoya during a traffic stop in April.
Target 8 investigator Susan Samples is live at the courthouse where that arraignment will happen. Susan?
Emily and Tom, I'm in the hallway outside the courtroom where this official arraignment will occur at 1:30. Officer Christopher Schur will be officially charged by video from the Calhoun County Jail. That is standard protocol. Police officers are lodged in jails outside of the county where they worked. The big question in this arraignment, what kind of bond will the judge set for Christopher Schur? Also this morning, we obtained a transcript of the testimony that the Michigan State Police detective used to obtain the warrant for that second-degree murder charge yesterday. The detective basically outlined what happened during that April 4th traffic stop. Schur ran the license plate on Patrick Lyoya's car, which came back to a different vehicle. He stopped Lyoya's car. The 26-year-old Congolese refugee got out of his car and ultimately tried to flee on foot. This is what the MSP detective was telling a judge yesterday. Schur tackled Lyoya roughly 30 feet from the vehicle, and there was an ensuing physical altercation during which Schur repeatedly told Lyoya to stop resisting. Schur deployed his taser, which the MSP detective noted could only be discharged 2 times and was ineffective in this case. The detective said Lyoya gained control of the taser, and the detective told the judge, quote, "It appears that Patrick Lyoya was then on his hands and knees with Officer Schur on his back, and it was at that point that Schur drew his duty firearm from his holster and fired 1 shot into the back of Lyoya's head, causing his body to go limp." The detective noted that he did obtain a written statement from Officer Christopher Schur, which confirmed that Schur drew his gun and fired at the back of Lyoya's head, causing his death. Also this morning, Schur's defense attorneys, Mark Dodge and Matthew Borgala, released this statement saying, "We were disappointed to learn that Officer Schur has been charged with murder by the Kent County prosecutor. Officer Schur is a decorated member of law enforcement who has dedicated his career to helping others and protecting the citizens of Grand Rapids. The evidence in this case will show," say the defense attorneys, "that the death of Patrick Lyoya was not murder, but was an unfortunate tragedy resulting from a highly volatile situation. Mr. Lyoya continually refused to obey lawful commands and ultimately disarmed a police officer." Talking about the taser there, Mr. Lyoya gained full control of a police officer's weapon while resisting arrest, placing Officer Schur in fear of great bodily harm or death. "We are confident," say the defense attorneys, "that after a judge hears all of the evidence, Officer Schur will be exonerated." Again, Christopher Schur's arraignment on that second-degree murder charge scheduled to occur here in Grand Rapids District Court at 1:30. We will stream that live at woodtv.com. Live in the courthouse, Susan Samples, News 8.